Akram Afif, that's straight into the face of Duiman. Well, that's going to hurt. This should be okay. This corner without their big man in. Plenty of power on that from Hisham. Oh, he's done really well here, Afif. Needs support, now he's got Almoez Ali. Almoez Ali! Seemed to be caught in two minds there, but Akram did brilliantly. Didn't help, of course, that Duiman slipped over. It's not a great ball, is it? Quite high. Trying to find Duk Chin. He just needed a bit more of a touch for Van Duk. Or Van Duk, rather. The new man in. Hong Dui. Poor ball in. And Duk Chin couldn't get there. Oh, it's been counted as a back pass. Well, well, well. Qatar are disputing that as a back pass, an intentional back pass. He says it came off my shin. Let's have another look at this. Has Mamataki got this right? Oh, that's... Oh. Well, he had the intention of playing it back. Kwang Hai off the crossbar. Well, it was the right place to hit. He was just a little too high. This would be a great angle to view it. And there was no chance whatsoever for Al-Bakari in goal. Opportunity of this game. But it will just give them a bit of confidence here. Has that fallen kindly for them? He makes no mistake. Kwang Hai just a minute later equalises for his country, and Vietnam are right back in it. Cue pandemonium in the stadium. Annoyed with his defenders, and he's poached that goal. Nguyen Kwang Hai. Well, he'll be so relieved after missing that opportunity earlier. Well, Al-Rawi just seemed to lose his concentration there. It was a little... Al-Moed as well played his part. They were tentative, and he just slipped in. And plucky Vietnam. Given away again. Duk Chin. He's got to slip it through. Can Kwang Hai finish? Oh, that is absolutely brilliant defending from Moed. Well, I don't think they can ask for a foul there. But what an opportunity for Nguyen Kwang Hai. Brilliant play from Duk Hui. Waited beautifully. And he just took one touch too many. He just hesitated, and Moed. That was brilliant from him. Well, he always had his eye on the ball, and I just don't... I'll break. Now Abdus Salam, who's come into this, not really got involved so far. The outstretched leg of Din Trong, denying. The people quite tired. Can they hold on here? Afif keeps it down, Afif, and it's straight. Butan Dug. So that's the first shot of... Good swinging in corner. It's defended fairly well. Afif! Off the line! Have they cleared it or has it crossed? They've given it! It's a mad scramble. Bui Tiandong runs over to the official. Almo Azali's claiming one of that crossed the line. They were stretched here, Vietnam. Almo Azali. Yeah, there's no doubt. That went in. And Afif played his part as well, didn't he? He couldn't control it. It wasn't even a